Here's how to create an OpenPhone account. So first you want to head over into the OpenPhone website. I'll leave a link to them down in the description. Now from there click on try for free. Now here you can simply continue with Google, which is the easiest option and the one that I'll do. So after doing that, it will go and sign you up automatically and you will get to onboarding. So first simply enter your full name. Then choose whether you're going to use OpenPhone for a business or for personal use. Then why do you need OpenPhone? You can just skip that. And then here enter your mobile number. So you can first choose your country right here. For me, for example, Netherlands. And then here add your phone number. Then a code will be sent to your phone number. So simply enter that right there and then click verify. Then here you get a new phone number and this will just be assigned to you. So now you can use that phone number and click continue. Now there are different packages you can get. They have starter and business and you can bill annually or monthly. You can see what is included in each of them. So just pick the one that you want. I'll just select starter and then here enter your billing details. Now through the link in the description, you will get access to a 7-day free trial. So if you want to get that, click on the link in the description and then here enter these details and click start your 7-day free trial. And after doing that, you will have successfully created your OpenPhone account. So now you know how to create an OpenPhone account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.